Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and I'm going to be going over question number 16A from your test review, your exponential and log test review review packet. So what I want to notice, a couple things before I jump and dive in. I want to notice that I'm dealing with a equation because it has an equal sign and one variable, and that E is a number that we've learned about this unit. So I know that if I'm going to be solving it, I might have to use the ln. But I also want you to notice that the exponents on both sides, I have actually an x on both sides. And that's actually going to be important because it makes the log, if we're going to use logs, it's going to make it a little bit more challenging. I'm going to have to add a couple steps to it. So I know that I'm hoping most of you recognize you could not make the bases the same, so that means you had to use logs to solve this problem. So first, we would take the ln of both sides. Why ln? Well, because we're dealing with e, and that's its inverse function. Okay, so we have ln 2 to the x minus 3. Okay, so then we use our properties of logs, and we bring our exponent to the front. Okay, so we have 5x ln e equals x minus 3 ln 2. Okay, so why is this important? Well, ln e we know is 1, so that kind of goes away. So normally, if we just had the variable on one side, we could just divide by 5 and we would be done. But in this case, I don't have x on one side. I have it on both sides, so I have to figure out a way to get x isolated since that's what I'm solving for. Okay, so this is going to be a place where I would have to distribute my ln 2. I need to distribute the ln 2 so that I can get an expression so I can get the x to the other side. All right, so that's going to give me 5x equals x ln 2. I always put it in front, not so I don't confuse it, minus 3 ln 2. Okay, so now I have x ln 2 that I can subtract to the other side. So I have 5x minus x ln 2 equals negative 3 ln 2. Now, if you see what you want to do at this point, I would pause. Try it on your own. Give yourself that chance to try it out, okay? All right. Well, you might be back. You might have tried it. You might not have, okay? But I noticed there's an x in both expressions, so I can factor it out. So by factoring it out, I've made the left side of the equation a product, multiplication. So now, to solve for x, I can divide by 5 minus ln 2. So my answer would be negative 3 ln 2 all over 5 minus ln 2. And you'd put that in your calculator, and I think you get negative 0.482. So approximately negative 0.4828. But remember, calculator ready right here. All right. Hopefully that was a helpful video. Have a great day.